Hello, and I'm back with another TGI Fridays frozen foods entree limited edition Dragonfire boneless chicken bites. These are chicken breast fritters in a Dragonfire sriracha sauce. I got them on sale for about $3 with a heat index of 3, and I was really drawn in by the artwork. Look at that dragon. That's awesome. And the word limited edition always brings me in. This is the box. Let's see. Look at the nutrition. Focus. And there's the ingredients. So it is a sriracha sauce, and fairly recent. There's the expiration date, the barcode. And what's really cool about this is they have the design on both sides. So you can do it horizontal or vertical. And the cooking instructions. So I'm going to do these in the oven. So it's bake for 8 minutes. Bake another 8 minutes after flipping and allow it to rest. And with that being said, I will be back. Finished product. The finished product is certainly darker. Let's give it a try. Close. Compare the colors. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Does that look like that? I don't know. It looks kind of mushy. I'm gonna keep trying. All right. The inside of this so far does not look anything like the box. So that's a little misleading. You can see on the box, nice and stringy whole meat, full muscle meat. There's a tiny bit there, but it's mostly like dough and stuff. Let's grab another one. Again, nothing like the picture, but they caramelize pretty well. The sauce has a tiny kick to it, so it's not bad, but it does not look like that. It's a little on the mushy side. I mean, but I think it's acceptable for what it is. It's chicken breast fritters with rib meat. That's usually, I believe it's usually ground up chicken formed into different shapes. These are nice big chunks of chicken. 4 of them are a serving. Just the picture is a little misleading, but that's very common. But I give it a passing grade. The sauce, like I said, it has a little kick to it. It tastes a little bit different than sriracha straight up, so there's something else in there. And I recommend it with caution, but it is a limited edition, so, and there's no way that's a 3 on a heat index. So TGI Fridays Limited Edition Dragonfire chicken bites from your local frozen section of your grocery store. I'm not going to buy it again, but it's passable. I would eat it again if it was free or super cheap. I would not turn it down, but I pass. And one last picture of that cool dragon. And as always, thank you for watching. You have a great day.